Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just bringing to you one of my birthday baskets. I had a client that is having a birthday, and her favorite color is black. So sometimes it's hard to create in black. And this is a time when it's a happy occasion and not a sympathy occasion. So I'm going to let you take a look at this basket. It is a beautiful birthday basket, and I'll go over everything that I put in it. So this is our basket. Beautiful birthday basket. So first I took a box and I used my glitter vinyl that I got from the Dollar Tree to wrap the box. And I didn't wrap the bottom or the inside, but I did wrap it all the way around the outside. All right, and then I got this pocketbook here from Temu. And it's a very cute little purse. It's got the fur strap on the top. I got these loafers from Temu. And these are the mesh and cloth loafers. And I decided to use the Spa Everlasting Love body scrub and lotion, as well as the Dove hand cream for this basket. I also included the Rainbow Perfume Extravaganza. And then I included a box of chocolates, the Ferrero Rochers. So I stuffed my box with the tissue paper. Well, not tissue paper, but packing paper. And I covered it with gold tissue. I got the gold tissue paper from Dollar General for $1. And you get 4 sheets. Sometimes those specialty colors are hard to come by. So when I see them, I go ahead and get them. I did a black satin bow with the champagne tails. And those flowers in there are off of a vine. So I cut those off the vine and just lined them in the container, and as well as put them in the center of the floral piece, or the bow. And I think that this birthday gift turned out beautifully. And this is one way that you can use black to make a beautiful, beautiful gift. I picked these items out for this customer because either the things that she said she liked. I took the tissue and pulled it out so that some of that gold would show. And I used black shred for this basket. The bow is a Dragonfly Bow. And I do like making those because they are very cute. You can add as many tails as you want to those bows. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.